In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust camera brightness in Microsoft Teams. Whether you find yourself in a dimly lit room or one that has excessively bright lighting, adjusting your camera settings can make all the difference in your video meetings. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, the journey begins by opening Microsoft Teams. You'll want to load up the app on your desktop, which might be a familiar process for many of you. Once you're all set and inside the application, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll spot your profile picture or initials. Give it a click to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll need to select Settings. This is where all the adjustments we'll make today take place. Now that you're inside the Settings menu, your next stop is the General tab. This is usually the first option on the sidebar on the left. Click on it to begin. The General tab is your gateway to customizing various parameters that optimize your team's experience. We're looking for something more specific though, so the next step on our itinerary takes us to the Devices section. So find Devices on the same sidebar and give it a click. Once inside Devices, this is where the magic happens. Scroll down until you find the Camera section. You should see options related directly to video settings, and among these options, there should be a toggle labeled Adjust Brightness. This toggle is your best friend for fine-tuning how you appear on camera. If you're in a darker setting or somewhere with absurdly bright overlays, toggling this option on should offer an immediate improvement in your image clarity. Now let's not forget that during actual meetings, you might find yourself wanting to adjust the brightness on the fly. Fortunately, Microsoft Teams has you covered. While in a meeting, hover over the toolbar and look for the downward arrow icon right next to the camera icon. Click this arrow to open up a small menu with camera settings. Here, you should see the option to toggle Adjust Brightness just like before. Adjust it as necessary to ensure you're visually at your best. And there you have it, a complete guide to adjusting your camera brightness in Microsoft Teams. By mastering these few simple steps, you can significantly improve the quality of your video calls, ensuring that you look professional and presentable no matter where you are. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope these instructions help you maintain a polished appearance in all your video communications. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips on optimizing your digital workspace.